Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through the 3 different ways that you can go about pairing your new Alexa remote. Now, this is the new version. You can see in comparison to the old model, there's a few more buttons. There's a power button in the upper left-hand corner, and there's also volume buttons, which are very nice additions. So the easiest way to go about doing this, and the way that I recommend it, is just putting those batteries in the back of your new Amazon Alexa remote, and then going over and unplugging the power source from your Fire TV, and then plugging it back in. And once it goes through its reboot phase, it should automatically pair with your new Alexa remote. Now, if that particular process doesn't work for you for whatever reason, I also have a couple of other things that you can do to pair your new remote. So at this point, after everything's rebooted, your remote should work. Now, if it does not, another step that you can try is to hold down the home button for around 10 or so seconds until you see the little blinking light there in the upper right-hand corner going very rapidly. So that takes around 10 seconds or so. There you can see it's finally rapidly going. And this takes a little bit of time, but eventually it should pair with your Amazon Fire TV and you'll get a little message on screen indicating that it's done that. So we'll wait to see how long it takes before it ends up pairing. And there we get our message saying that our remote is now paired. And as you can see, we can move around on the screen. Now, a third option that you can use for whatever reason, if those first 2 steps don't work, but those first 2 steps should be good enough to get you up and running. You can actually take your old remote and go over to where it says settings. And then we're going to go over to where it says controllers and Bluetooth devices. And then we're going to click on where it says Amazon Fire TV remotes. And this is my TV remote number 1. And this is number 2, the one that I just paired. But you can go down and click Add New Remote. And then it's going to be searching for that new remote. And again, hold down the home button on the new remote until it's in discoverable mode, and it should pop up here, and you should be able to connect it in this third option. And again, most people, you're going to be able to do it with those first 2 steps where you don't even need a second remote to do the pairing, but you also have this third option if those 2 that I started this video with should fail you. So that's going to wrap up this video, guys. Thanks for stopping by. Consider subscribing for more. Hope to see you guys back here for future videos.